Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Mitsubishi L200. First of all, we go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth's on, which it is, and we're watching out at the bottom. Go over to the system, switch it on. There you go. If it doesn't come up on that screen, you just click home. Then you've got all the apps. If you just click over there, it goes right to the end. Bluetooth audio there. But we want phone. You can do it from two ways. You can either do it from phone or through settings, but phone's the easiest. So click on phone. There's no phones paired to it at the moment, so click pair device. Turn on Bluetooth settings on the mobile phone and then select next. So this is on already. We've done that, so we click next. Now here you'll see it says passkey 4 noughts, but watch what happens when we actually pair the phone. It should generate a random code, so you've no need for that passkey. Click on Mitsubishi Motors Bluetooth, and there you go, it's generated a random passkey. So all you don't have to put anything in here or there, just click pair, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, registration's complete. That's it.